today we are going to Upper Kachora Lake. Upper Kachora Lake is 20 kilometers from Skardu Airport and 3.2 kilometers from famous Shangri-La Resort. After reaching Kachura village, you'll have to walk for 5 minutes. In a stark contrast to Lower Kachora Lake, the local community of Upper Kachora Lake or the Kachura village has not allowed anyone to build a resort over here. It's totally preserved in a natural state. Due to heavy snowfall, this is where we stopped. It was not safe going further down. But we had a trump card. Let's check out the drone footage.